Today, we're going to be talking about one of the three famous distinctions that are attributed to statements. One is a priori, a posteriori, which is considered to be an epistemological distinction. I have a video on that. The other one that that's not discussed in this video is the distinction between necessary and contingent, and that's considered to be a metaphysical distinction. And then today, we're going to be talking about the analytic-synthetic distinction, which is considered to be a semantic distinction. Now, this is largely attributed to Immanuel Kant, but I would say that there are similar distinctions prior to Kant of this nature. Leibniz, Locke, and Hume had similar distinctions. But when you hear analytic synthetic, you're going to hear about Kant if you're going to study this kind of distinction. So let's just start with analytic truths, right? These are true by definition. That means that the truth is given by the very meanings of the words in the statement. Okay, some examples might be all triangles have three sides. A heifer is a female cow. If Jack is Jill's brother, then she is his sister. These are all true by the meanings of the words. So it's because of the word heifer that we can say that a heifer is a female cow. Nothing else. Okay. Kant talked about analytic truth in terms of concept containment. I want to say that not all philosophers think of analytic truth this way. So he would say something like, when we say a heifer is a female cow, that a heifer, a concept, contains the other two concepts, female and cow. Okay, but not, like I said, not all philosophers think of analytic truth this way. Synthetic truths, on the other hand, are not true by the meanings of the words, but true based on some other worldly fact. That's to say that the truth value is supported by something other than the meanings of the words. That's to say, it's how the world is that makes that true or false, at least that statement true or false. Dolphins eat squid. The president of the US in 2021 is Joe Biden. Our solar system has 8 planets. These are not true just because of the concept of dolphin, right? The concept of dolphin, according to Kant, doesn't contain the concept of squid. So, hence, synthetic. And there are more controversial kinds of statements that philosophers debate about, like, for instance, mathematical statements. Something like 5 plus 7 equals 12. For Kant, he didn't consider that to be an analytic statement because he didn't think that 5 and 7 contain, or even the expression 5 plus 7 contain the concept of 12. So he thought it was synthetic. Whereas someone like Frege would want to say that that's an analytic statement because it reduces down to logic, and things that are true logically for Frege are true analytically. So that's the distinction, that one of the famous distinctions out of the three that I wanted to discuss. So look at the other videos as far as the distinction between a priori, a posteriori, and necessary and contingent.